Are you little guys ready to become tacos?
What's up guys, I'm Sheldon Creed. Today we're here with Boss Griddles and we're about to make some Carne Asada Tacos. Alright, here we have 2 pounds of skirt steak. We have our special marinade. You can follow the link in the description below to have this exact one. So we're gonna get this filled in, throw a little seasoning on, and get them on the grill. Alright, here we have the Pit Boss all-purpose garlic, salt, pepper. Get this on here, then we're ready to hit the grill. Alright, we got the grill preset at 450, hot and fast. We're gonna get these sticks on there and let the Pit Boss do the work. We'll let that cook for a few minutes before flipping. Alright, we're going to check on our steaks here and see if they're ready for a flip. Give those a few minutes to finish up. Alright, our steaks are done. Let's pull them off. Alright, let's build our tacos. Alright, we got our tacos put together. If you want to know what went into the recipe, check out the link in the description below. Let's dig in. As Big Jake would say, and that's where it's at. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you out on track. We're just gonna finish this up.